Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about Blockfi, and after that, they are giving out $275 worth of Bitcoin for free totally. And after that, if you're going to watch through the whole video, it's going to benefit you and you will understand how can you obtain these 275 worth of bonuses. And after that, it's free money. Why not? And of course, before we get started in the video, if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to the video. And I would like to, before I start the video of BlockFi, I'd like to challenge you to the world largest keto challenge. What is ketos? Basically, it is a health supplementary diet drink which you can drink, and after that, from there, yeah, basically you can improve your health and stuff like this. If you are interested, just click on the link below, and from there, just watch on the video. It's gonna explain to you what is ketos all about, and let's talk about BlockFi. And after that, as you can see, this is a Halloween special. Basically, this is a limited time offer. No tricks, just treats. And after that, you need to deposit at least $25 or more to get Bitcoin. And after that, this is the payout over here. This is totally for free. But of course, there's terms and conditions apply and stuff like this. So I'm gonna talk through with you what is it all about. So basically, you have until the 31st of October to create an account. You must be a new user. Therefore, if you are a old user or existing user, you might not be able to take part in this promotion. But these are the tricks that I'm going to tell you on how can you obtain these bonuses, even though if you have an account or stuff like this. So basically, if you have an account, the thing that you need to do is basically ask your parents or your relative or close ones, near family, close family, to ask them open up an account, and from there you just fund the account under their identity and stuff like this. But bear in mind, it must be someone that you are close with, and after that I would say you have the of their document. Please do not use other people's document that you do not have permission. And after that, from there, let's talk about it. So basically, the tier one, the lowest tier is you just need to deposit up to $25. So no matter what amount, $25 all the way to $249, you are gonna be on the tier one. So basically, if you deposit an amount of 25, and after that you will get payout in 25. So basically, it's a double of your you just straight away double your investment if you only put in 25. And after that, from there, basically you get $50 out of it. Basically, your initial is 25 and your payout is 25 in Bitcoin. So basically, you have a total worth of $50 worth in the account. And after that, this is a great deal. And after that, of course, if you fund more from 250 all the way to 999, you are going to get this 35 in Bitcoin, and after that 1000 towards 4999 is 60, and after that so on and so forth. So the chart is over here, the link is down below, just click on it, and after that from there you will basically have a good read about this. So we want to talk about what is this BlockFi about. Basically, I have an account over here, so you can see BlockFi over here. I have deposited 1 Bitcoin, and basically my initial is 1 Bitcoin, and after 1 month of holding, it is showing me a total interest paid of $20, and after that it is in the Bitcoin value. And after that, on BlockFi itself, you can change the interest that you want to pay be paid in is basically on the profile itself. Just head over it, and after that navigate through it, and after that it's going to tell you which which currency that you want to be paid out in. So basically, if you have lots of currency over here, so we talk about the rates first. So Bitcoin is 6%, Ethereum is 5.25, and after that GUSD is 8.6, Litecoin is 5, PEX is 8.6, PEX Gold is 4, and after that USDC is 8.6%, and Tether is 7%. So basically, if you have all the coins over here and you send it in and you want to get paid in, let's say, a stable coin only, you can just choose the option on the profile itself, just click on it, and from there you are able to get your monthly interest that has been accrued for the month to be paid out in either one of the coin that is supported over here. And after that, let's talk about the terms and conditions. So basically, BlockFi is a crypto interest account, and after that, basically what you do is just sign up an account, verify, and after that send in funds. Depending on which tier you want to get, and of course the free money over here that you want to get is the highest you can get is 275, and your deposit amount must be more than $10,000. And after that, you can scroll down all. Let's talk about the terms and conditions. So over here, the offer is only valid until 2359.59 seconds, and after that, on October of 31st, 2020, to be eligible for the promotion, you must have a balance of $0 at at 4 a.m. UTC on the 13th of October. So let's say you have an account, and after that you have not even like deposited anything into that account, and after that this is your first ever deposit into BlockFi interest account. You're eligible for this. So an existing user that has not deposited any amount into BlockFi, you are able to do it. So on the 13th, so basically on the 13th of October, 4 a.m. UTC, you must go and check your time zone, and after that to reflect and stuff like this. So it is, I assume that it's already over 4 a.m. And after that, you need to deposit your first transaction into BlockFi, and after that you have to maintain at least $25 to get the $25 for free throughout you have to hold it for around till next year, January 14, 2021, and after that you must also have a valid promo code to receive a target email for this promotion. So basically I have the link over here. This is a valid link. You can just click on it, and it is a valid promo. And after that, this promo will not offer, basically what does this throughout meaning? So they said that you have to maintain at least 25 plus balance. So basically to be eligible for this $25, the minimum tier, you need to at least have $25 being maintained in the account all the way towards January, and the cutoff date is January 14, and after that on this timing as well. So basically so basically what they mean by $25 USD, I would say what they're trying to mean is basically if you send in $25 worth of Bitcoin now, as of now, and throughout all the way towards $14, assuming the price of Bitcoin does not fall, and after that, basically you have more than 25 if the price rises or stuff like this. But if the price of Bitcoin doesn't fall maybe let's say 10 to 20%, and your balance is not even 25, and you will not be eligible for this promo. This is what I assume on the terms and conditions. So if you want to send in, and after that you want to have a stable 10,000 or above to receive the maximum tier, I would say stable coin is the most easiest to maintain, because 1:1, and after that you can send in 10,000 at $1, and basically you're eligible for the $275 that has been mentioned for free. So $10,000 plus. So basically what, to be safe, just send in $10,000 and $10,000 and $1, and it is gonna be safe, and you are secured this payout, provided that you hold your funds all the way till the 14th of January. So let's say if you want to send in Bitcoin like me, so you can see over here, Bitcoin 1:11,000, and after that hopefully the price of Bitcoin doesn't fall below 10,000 or fall too much all the way towards January 14th to be eligible for the $275 worth of Bitcoin for free. So basically is to be the good thing over here is because every month it is accruing interest, and after that it's going to be paid into the account. Therefore, it's going to grow your balance, and after that, from there, you are able to basically maintain the $10,000 and above all the way to 14th of January, and after that, payout will be based on your average daily USD maintained throughout blah blah blah. So you can read over here, the payout will be based on your average daily balance equivalent maintained throughout this amount. So you need to send in at least 10,000. You need to send a minimum of 10,000 worth, and after that the average balance has to be equivalent or more than 10,000 in order to achieve the 275. So I would say if you don't want all this complication or anything, just send in stablecoin, and stablecoin is going to be the best. You're definitely going to secure that 275 using stablecoin. But if you do not have stablecoin, and let's say you only have like Bitcoin or something like this, I would say you need to send more than $10,000 worth. So basically just send in maybe 1.1 Bitcoin, or for me I just send in 1, because at the price of now it is more than 10,000, and for the average throughout the future, hopefully it does not fall or something like this, because it is gonna affect a lot, and after that it is taking a risk over here. But the good thing is, if you send in stablecoin, I would say USDC, if you have it, I would say 8.6% it is. Yeah, it is a high paying interest. So basically you can send in 10k worth of USDC, and after that get just hold it there for like around 3 to 4 months, and after that from there you are going to accrue 8.6% per annum, and after that the interest being paid is going to be compounded. Therefore you can see on the Bitcoin itself I have been paid this amount, and after that the balance over here is cut off for the month's payout, and after that it is going to compound, and after that it is going to pay even more. So basically you can see for 1 month I have hold, and after that they have give me this amount of Bitcoin, and after that is half of the month, and yeah, basically I've accrued more interest from the compounded amount, and after that you can do that too. So basically I would say US the stablecoin is the most safest bet onto Blockfi's this promotion over here, this Halloween's promotion. And after that the promo code, if I not wrong, it is act now. Yep, act now, offers and blah blah blah. I do not know if this is the promo code, or yeah, basically this look like a promo code because it's bold, and after that, yeah, I don't know if this is promo code, but if you want, just click on, if you want to be super safe, just click on my link, and after that from there you will be landed onto this page, and just click on get started and just set up your new account, and after that hopefully you understand the terms and condition. But if you do not understand the terms and condition, feel free to leave a comment down below, or just expand the description box on the video, and after that scroll down all the way, you will find my Telegram. You can just click on my Telegram and ask me questions about Blockfi, this promotion that is ongoing, and I'm going to explain and clear it up with you. And of course, this is all based on my own knowledge and opinion. And after that, over here, let's talk about any withdrawal made before this amount may affect your tier. So in order to be eligible for the promotion, you must have never funded an account, your account, Blockfi interest account, and after that make your first deposit by 31st of October, and after that, basically Blockfi interest account are available in most countries worldwide, and US or US states other than New York, and after that there's a maximum of 1 bonus per client, and after that basically if you are able to take part in this only, and after that the bonus is either 1 tier. So basically, to clarify it, doesn't mean that you put in $10,000 you're gonna achieve all the tier over here, 25 plus 35 plus 60 plus 125 plus the final tier of 275. No, it does not work that way. Basically, if you are your average daily holding is being divided until the day of the cutoff, so basically 3 months or 4 months of average holding, the price in USD, and after that if it is above 10k you only receive this 275, and after that if it is fall below 10k you're going to receive 125, and after that you do not receive all the tiers that is below. To clarify that, you only receive either one of these, and after that depending on the amount you deposit. So if you, let's say you do not want to put so much money in, you can just choose the tier that you want, but I would say why not just put 10k in, because basically $275 worth of Bitcoin for free, totally for free, to increase your portfolio size, I would say. And after that, just do it because it is free money that Blockfi is giving. And after that you can ask like, how is Blockfi giving out so much free money and stuff like this? To be honest, whatever you send in, they use the money that you're sending to basically do loans, and after that from there act like a bank, and from there they earn interest and stuff like this. 275, it is merely like, I would say it is little to them, because based off your 10k deposit they can make more than 275 definitely, and after that they have the system, and after that basically they have the connection to do it. And I would say Blockfi, it is quite a reputable kind of company out there, because you can see their investor is just let's not talk about the traditional one. Let's just talk about Coinbase. Coinbase itself is big enough to be an investor. Like, it is well known, and many people know about Coinbase in the cryptocurrency space. And after that, for the traditional investment out there, I would say Fidelity Investments, it is also well known. And after that, for this capital as well, this I would say this fund management or something. I do not know about this, but I heard about this company before. And after that, basically it is well known. And basically if you if a well-known company that have faith and after that invested into Blockfi, you must know that basically this company Blockfi, it is basically the business proposal and of course how they generate income. It is approved by them, therefore they invest the money towards them, and after that basically if you are interested, just sign up, and after that good luck with getting the free stuff. And after that, hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, please share this promotion with your friends and family if you want them to also gain free money. And after that, basically if you want to share the promo, you have to use my link down below. Just send them the link, and after that, you can see the link is damn long, and I'm just going to shorten the link, and after that just click on it, and good to go. So see you on the next video. Peace.